Good day. My name is Coach Salisu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Rqtmi Pro Strategy to pick a trade. Now, here are things you need. You just need only auto Fibonacci indicator, and you need to go to the 1 day to confirm the trade. Then you come to the 5 minute to pull the trigger to pick the trade. That's what I mean by pulling the trigger. Now let's say it works for any coin, right? Any coin, not like the two indicator tactics where you would have to readjust the arrangement of the coins so that you start from the ones that have dipped, right? In this case, it works for any coin. Let's pick NFP for example, right? You go to the 1 day. You go to the 1 day, for example. You go to the 1 day, right? Let me use my power replay after. Now, this is for an uptrend. For a downtrend, right? You need the 0 to be at the bottom. Now, this is a downtrend. Why? If you watched my previous video, it's a downtrend because 0 at the bottom, 100 at the top. Indicate to Fibonacci indicator. Once you see 0 at the bottom, 100 at the top is a downtrend. For a downtrend, what are you looking for on the 1 day? You are looking for a big body candle like this, red or green. A big body, very, very important. A big body candle. You forget about it, regardless of how the week is, you just need a big body candle, green or red. Big body candle is what you are looking for. This is a big body candle, green or red. Big body candle is what you are looking for, right? Now I'm going to remove it. Now see the big body candle. For a downtrend, you want it to be on the 0% line or very, very close to the 0% line or below the 0% line. Very, very important. These are the things you know, watch out for. All right. Now, as you can see, this is a big body candle at exactly 1 a.m. Nigerian time. This is very powerful this is a very powerful time to pull the trigger to pick the trade. 1 a.m. Nigerian time is the time that cryptocurrency market opens for the next day, right? So now this is 1 a.m. Daily candle forms every 24 hours, right? So I'll just pick my horizontal line, put it here, pick another one, put it at the top, pick another one, put it here, right? Pick my vertical line. Now, if you've done that, what is the next thing you do is to move to the 5 minutes. Like I say, you've confirmed it on the 1 day, you move to the 5 minutes. When you move to the 5 minutes, you now need to use another. You are done with the auto fib indicator. You don't need it. The only thing you need is to confirm your trade on the 1 day, right? So you now come to the 5 minutes. Use the vertical line. Put it at exactly 1 a.m. Nigerian time. See it? 1 a.m. Nigerian time. So you can see this is 1 a.m. right, the next day. So now, as you leave it here, you can pull the trigger. Your take profit can be here. You can enter from this place, measure to this place, right? Or you enter from in between these two lines, right? As you can see, in between 50%, you can use this as a preset price to enter. Either of the two is okay, right? If you fear that if you put it here, if you don't put it here, you're not going to pick your trade, you can pull it from there, right? Now, let's say you're using this, you're pulling the trigger from this place, current price. So I measure from here to this place, 5.7 divided by 2, you have 2.7 or 2.5, right? Divided by 2 to get out faster, you divide it by 2. If you want to get out faster, divide it by 2. Money is always available in the market. 2.5. Let's say you're going for 2.5. You see, and I press play. Let's see if it hit our target. See, let's see if I hit our target. It goes down, still going up a bit. See, so I'm floating profit now. See it, still going down. It's going down. Once you pull the trigger, you remain patient for it to deliver. Keep waiting. You just need patience to wait to deliver. So you see, boom, take profit hit. Right? Let's see if the second, the highest, it will hit 5%. Right? Take profit hit 2.5, you're out. You must not wait for the final take profit. If you divide it by 2, you're out. You can see, boom, you're able to turn. That's it. 2.5% or 5% has been hit. See, from this place, 5%. Now it's now 5% of what? That's the question. Is it 5% of $100 or 5% of 5,000 or 5% of 10,000? Right. So that's it. That's it for. Let's pick another trade now. Think. See. Like I say, you only need the auto fib indicator. Bring it. Auto fib indicator. Now you see, this is not uptrend. This is not downtrend. Sorry, this is uptrend. Why? Because 0 at the top, 100 at the bottom, and this is 1D. 1D. You can see 1D. Right? So you can see now it's an uptrend, and the current candle has come to touch the 61.8%. For an uptrend, you need the current candle to be on the 61 or below. As you can see, this is an uptrend and everything is fine. So we just put our horizontal line here. See it, then you pick a vertical line. See it? Then you're done with the auto fib, you can remove it. Then you go to the 5 minutes. You confirm everything. 5 minutes. Put your vertical line on the 1 a.m. Nigerian time. You see it? Now, if you like, you measure. It's up to you. Measure from here to this place. You have 11%. Divided by, that's 12, or let's say 11%, 5 of, divided by 2. Divided by 2. You want to get out faster. You want to get out faster. 5.5 or 5%, as you see, 5%. So let's see. Right, so if you're picking a trade from there, 5%. Anywhere, like I said, you can also pick the trade from this, in between these lines here. Right, and preset and go and sleep. Right, so let's see if it hit our take profit. See, it's going down. Right, it has picked the trade, you can see. Still patience. You pause it. You pick the horizontal line here. See? Patience. Once you pick a trade, you remain patient for it to deliver. You wait patiently, going to deliver with patience. Yes, first take profit, you can see 11%. That's it. 5% delivered, 11% delivered. So it's up to you. This is how you use the Rqtmi Pro strategy, right, for uptrend and downtrend. I hope you find this video helpful.